Transform your eye health in minutes a day with fundamental method to strengthen your eye muscle and improve overall vision. Find out why the best eye exercise work and how it can make a significant difference in your eye health and vision. I'm excited to share with you a simple but crucial exercise for improving eye condition like myopia, hyperopia and astigmatism, the circle exercise. A fundamental technique, one of the most effective exercises developing and maintaining healthy eye muscles, involves rotating your eyes in both clockwise and counterclockwise directions. This can be easily practiced with the help of a visual aid such as a circle drawn on a wall with a minimum diameter of 1 meter or 3 feet, or by using a hula hoop hung on the wall. In my experience, using a circle mirror also works well. Why this exercise work? Focusing your gaze along the outline of a circle encourages the eye muscle, even performance and balance. Also, we use all eye muscles equally. This rotation not only engages the eye muscles but also allows them to rest when not in direct use, providing a balanced workout that promotes eye muscle health and coordination. Unlike linear exercises, which only work the eye muscle in specific direction, circling involves a more comprehensive range of motion that benefits the entire ocular system. The importance of consistency. For those with vision challenge, establishing a routine with this exercise is the key. It might take around 50 days of a daily practice to form a habit, but the effort well worth it. Master of this technique and its benefits for eye health improve with consistency, suggesting that the 1 to 3 repetition per session, with the possibility of additional session after an hour, for example, can lead to significant improvements over time. Personal testimony and benefits. Personally, this exercise has been transformative. Initially, my eyes suffered from myopia and spasmodic oblique eye muscles. Incorporating this circular motion exercise along with specific stretches by diagonals and other exercises which I share on my channel significantly relieve eye muscle spasms and contributed to a noticeable improvement in my vision. Check out the Eyesight Academy course, A Natural Solution to Vision Challenges. Explore a natural approach to improving your vision with the best eye exercises and natural techniques that target the root causes of common eye conditions. A link in the description. Conclusion: to summarize, rotating your gaze along a circle is indispensable exercise for anyone looking to naturally improve their vision. It's important to approach the circular exercise with relaxed eyes. And include relaxation techniques both before and after the eye workout session. Circle exercise is a foundation for eye workout. It's like a bench press in a gym. Drawing a circle on a wall, it's a must. It's a must if you want to succeed. For more insights and eye exercises, check out my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Help spread the word about natural vision improvement. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I look forward to seeing you in the future videos.